Guys, I want to show you something. This is so cool. Look at my new bags for this company. My company name is Ramen Living as the channel. And look at these cute little bags made of organic cotton to put all the vegetables and fruit inside here. So no plastic bags, never ever. You can get them in my website, ramenliving.com. To show you something. Costa Rican money, they have animals. So a monkey, this is 5,000 colones. This one has a shark. Look, and the 10,000 colones. Wait, it has a slot. Look, Costa Rica is all about animals. Hey you guys, I just arrived home. I come from my shopping and I was thinking that I'm gonna do the pasta right away because it's almost lunchtime, and why not to show you a recipe of the pasta. I bought cherry tomatoes and I bought basil, so I'm gonna make this beautiful pasta. Let's see how it goes, maybe with a lot of garlic. So stay tuned if you want to see the recipe. Okay guys, I have the ingredients ready for the pasta. This sauce is the most easy sauce to make. Okay, so basically we're gonna need just 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 garlic chopped, 1 branch of, this is called romero, in English it's called, oh my god, I'm gonna write it down, I'm sorry. This is 1/4 of basil, 1 package or 2 cups of cherry tomatoes, 1 package or 2 cups of mushrooms. And we just need 1 pan and to put the oven in 350, and that's all. So in here we're gonna just mix all of the ingredients together. Just mix all of the ingredients together until it is well incorporated, and add the salt and add some fresh pepper. Okay, so this is gonna caramelize and it's gonna turn sweet. From here, we're gonna just put it in the oven. And the timer will be 20 minutes. Okay. So, wait, there, kind of. This kitchen doesn't have the best light, but it's okay. So, this is the pasta that I bought. Do you guys remember? Organic basil pasta. So, I have the water already boiling. Let me turn this light in here, and so whoa, just put it down there. 2 minutes. Ready? Wow. So look at this beauty. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I have here the pasta. This is a basil pasta already made, and I'm gonna put these beauties on top. Okay. So here is beautiful pasta creation. And this is nutritional yeast that you can just put a little bit on top, and it's gonna be this cheesy perfect flavor. And voila. Oh my god, this sauce, guys, is like, it turns a little bit sweet, but it's like sweet and sour because of the acid of the vinegar. It's amazing, and the combination with the basil, oh my god. And just like that, I'm gonna enjoy this pasta. It's amazing, really, it's so wonderful. Oh my god. And I hope that you like it. As usual, all of my recipes, you can find them in my website, rameliving.com. It always comes with a PDF file that you can download in your phone or computer. And I appreciate a lot if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, because I always am uploading new videos just for you. Okay, so take good care and let me know if you make this pasta. Okay. Big kisses for you all. Take care. Okay.